Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have CARLY, RAE, JEPSEN here with a song called Shy Boy. A nice up-tempo song, so smash that subscribe button and let's ride into this song. We have capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have 5 different chords. Let's look at the chords. We have first the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, the next chord will be a D sus2. So that is open D, second G, third B, and open E. We have the G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And we'll end with a nice bar chord here. It's the F. Alright, so F is a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and the rest you need to add is third on A, third on D, and second on G. Alright, so let's look at the string pattern starting with A minor, since that is the first chord. So one string around will be down, up, down, down, clap. So that's it. So down, up, down, down, clap. A couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Goes so on. Now I'm gonna give you the different parts here and you have to put it all together on your own. The verse play, it's very easy. You're gonna play 2 string rounds for A minor and alternate that with the D sus2. So 2 rounds of that as well. So A minor 2 and D sus2 back and forth like this. Very easy. Now for the next parts we have the pre-chorus, but also the chords. They're played in the same way. You have A minor 2, the D sus1, and the G1. That is 1 chord progression round. So A minor 2, D1, G1 like this. Alright. So very easy, and we have finally a bridge part at about 2 minutes and 29 seconds into the song. That's where we're gonna use the other chords there. So you use the same string pattern here still through the entire song. Now you're gonna play F2, D1, and E1. That chord progression for the bridge part is played for 4 rounds. So F2, D1, E1 for 4 rounds like this. And then back to chorus. And that pretty much covers CARLY, JEPSEN's Shy Boy. Alright, so I'm really happy to give you this. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and thumb up the tutorial if it was helpful. And until next time, play tuned.